Hey guys, so we're currently standing where they shot the piano scene of Crash Landing on You, and this is the spot of our photo shoot today, so come join us. Get the reflector in there. Yes, it's like I did not hold this for no reason. I'm using the reflector. Stay right there, looking here. Great job. Bring the other shoulder in. Aww. Maybe you can like be sitting. Bring that arm in, bring both arms, yeah. Like looking out, I want you like looking out. Great job, lovely. Just bring your arm in just a little bit more. Yeah, right there, great. Bring your arm in, bring that other arm in a bit. Yes, I'm not photoshopping you out, fly. Look at, there's a fly right there. I'm like, this is an extra 5 minutes that I don't have. I'm gonna do a few portraits, okay? Looking out, I want you, love that, but just looking out this way, yeah. If I fall in, like I will laugh. I'll catch that duck right there. Do you want to come to America? He's like, nah, I'm good here. I don't pay taxes here. Bring the hands down. Great job. Are they leaving? Oh my God, they're all good. Stop. Ow. You gotta strategically weasel your way in, which is what we're doing. Come on, girl. Whew. Oh man, I got lightheaded there. If I fall in, just let me fall by myself. Maybe you can stand right there, so we're not in her photo. She looks cute though. She looks cute. Remember the ones that we did with the Polaroid? I'm just gonna copy everything that I did. Copy the same photo. Okay, stay right there. This would be so cute. I was gonna say shout out to Valandis because he's like, no one wants a pedestrian in their shot, but I'm kind of like living for this. But if he was here, it would be really funny. It's a popular spot. Let's do portraits until, yeah, which is fine. Let's bring your arms in. Yeah, right there. These are great because we won't get the people in the back, but also I can't like just take up the whole thing just because I'm doing pictures. That's not nice. Let's do more side. Yeah. Yeah, stay right there. Beautiful. You understand the assignment. Do you get that? Do you get the joke? Is it lame? Do they not use that joke anymore? Let's move your hands. Stay in that exact spot though. Maybe you could be sitting right there, but please be careful. If I fall, it's okay. If the model falls, it's not okay. Yes. I like this, just looking away, looking straight ahead. Yeah, don't move. Hold on. Looking here. Kind of like tilt your head, you're bored, whatever, yeah. Okay, there's an open spot. Go team, go, go, go. Oh my God, please be careful, Laura.
Oh my God.
Laura, please. Laura, please. It's not worth it. It's not worth it for the picture. Yeah, so you be careful too, because you got a reflector. Oh my God, you don't have to do it, girl. Oh my God, yeah, so please be careful. I gotta really not move because I move a lot and I'll move right into this ocean.
Jesus, take the wheel.
How about now, like fake walking back and forth, fake it? Yeah. Great job, yes. Come up a little closer to but please be careful. Turn to the side, yeah. Let's just do you sitting. Classic. Playing the piano, just like Captain Ree. Shout out to Captain Ree, by the way, if you're watching this. We love the show. Oh, there's a duck. Can you get back in the picture, please? He's cute. He's like, can you please not photograph me? You don't have my permission. Love these. Yeah, stay right there. Don't move. I want you like looking out there. I'm getting too comfortable on this dock, you guys. Like, I need to check myself. I'll fall in. Bring your elbow in a bit, yeah, or even like that. Move that one arm. Just keep moving it, yes. Stay right there. But bring your hand out like this. Like lean back a bit. Yeah, relax a bit. Yeah, there you go. Just like looking, just lounging, not looking at the camera. And can you be sitting like this? I'm like scrunching. I think the Polaroids are okay. The Polaroids are hopefully okay. It's fine. Yes, gorgeous. Looking here. I'm getting risky, you guys. Tilt your chin up a bit more and just tuck that piece of hair to the back. Looking out this way, yeah. Great job. Don't move. Yes, great job. Can we get some light on her? Oh my God, you're gonna love these. Stay right there. Stay in that pose. Lift your chin up just a bit. Open lips. Open your lips. You're going to love these. Great job. Seriously, you're like doing incredible. So good. Okay, well, I just want one last one, maybe on the opposite side. Maybe we'll just ask them to switch. Would you mind? I just want one picture here. I'm so sorry to bother you guys.
No.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do something cool here. Maybe to the side. Yeah, something different. Just bring your leg out just a bit. Yeah, great. Not looking at the camera, looking away. Looking straight ahead. Straight ahead. Like towards the pier. Okay, yeah, so just back it up just a bit. Thank you. Please be careful, please. Okay, let's just have you standing straight right here. No hands on hip, kind of just maybe even in the middle. Yeah, one in the middle. I want you, just one of you in the middle, and then that'll be the last one. Great job. Maybe do something with your leg. Have your leg out like this. Looking out this way. Great job. Have this leg like this. Yeah. Bring this leg out this way. Yeah. Looking here. Okay, I think we got enough. So we just wrapped our shooting. I think it went awesome. I really love this pier. It has quite a bit of significance again for all the fans of Crash Landing on You. It was so much fun to shoot here. The light was beautiful. It wasn't raining. Laura, you did amazing as always.
Thank you so much.
Such a good model. And she's gonna watch Crash Landing on You, right?
Yes, I
After this.
definitely will.
So let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.